Where's 6'3"?
I was just in that fucking car.
Okay.
My boyfriend just took the fucking police.
You were in this car?
Yes, I was just in, me and my dog. Me and my dog, we got pulled over. We did, I'll tell you, the man asked for his fucking license. Here. He asked for his license and insurance. He got his fucking license, but his shit is suspended. I'm thinking, you feel me, you feel me, just get the ticket.
Alrighty, so the video for today is actually going to be a little bit of behind the scenes footage from an incident that I put out on YouTube several months ago. Sometimes when I'm editing, I actually have too much content, too much good stuff. And if I try to put it all in a video, I'm afraid I'll lose the audience. It'll make the videos either way too long, or some of the stuff that happens during these incidents is kind of tangential to the actual action. And if I break up, I try to put like a beginning and a flow to the end of every video whenever possible. And if I put some of these things in there that are kind of tangential, I'm afraid I'm going to lose the audience and it's not going to make sense. So the video for today is actually, you might have seen it. There was it's a video of an officer that goes to stop a Dodge Challenger on the freeway. The guy that's driving the car decides to take off. There's a high-speed chase, all of that kind of stuff. It crashes into a house. So that's the basis for this video. Now, the extra footage that you're going to watch today is actually going to be the officers making contact with the homeowner, making sure everybody's okay. You're going to get some better footage of the car, what it looked like, and the damage to the house in this particular video than what you did in the previous video. I thought there was some value in putting this out to the public. You're also going to see that the guy who was driving that car had his girlfriend with him, and you're going to get to meet her, and you're going to get to hear a lot of stuff from her. And I just want to tell you personally that I laughed and I smiled and I enjoyed the parts of the video that had her in it. I thought that she was an absolute sweetheart, given the fact that she had just gone through what she had gone through. She was upfront and honest, and had a lot of good personality. I really enjoyed her portion of the video, and I thought that I should show it to you. Another thing, kind of on a personal note, is that I actually am the person that took her to jail the following day. You're going to see in the video, she ends up having to go to the hospital. And the following day, I actually had to respond to the hospital and take her to jail because of some of the stuff that happens in this video. And while I was doing that, she was an absolute doll of a person. She was incredibly nice, just good personality, just someone that, I don't know. It's hard to say that you enjoyed taking someone to jail, but I enjoyed meeting her, and I was grateful of the way that interaction went. And I wanted to say personally, I hope the best for her. It sounds like she's a decent person. She might have done some things in the past. Hopefully she gets that stuff behind her, goes on to have a fruitful and productive life. So with all that being said, I'm going to get out of the way. Thank you for watching the video. I'll talk to you guys later.
992 is firing route.
Is that on Penfield, you need firing route?
Yeah, it's definitely going to be structural. We got some injuries.
Okay.
You okay? Anybody okay down there?
I'm looking right now.
Does anybody live down there?
No, it's a shop. It's smoke. We had to get their dogs down there.
Yeah.
We need to get outside because the whole basement's full of smoke.
Yeah.
Can you roll a medic?
They hit so hard that the brick that they took out is laying against the far.
I believe it. Looks like it hit pretty hard. It looks like you must have came straight.
Sending westbound towards 71.
It shook the house to the point where.
I'm just glad no one's staying right there.
Well, that's what's scary because that's where our bedroom used to be.
Yeah.
So.
What do you do? Lose a tire first, and then they blew right in the house? Goddamn Mopar.
That's really impressive.
Well, he lost his tire on this corner back here, probably, and then he lost
Blew
control.
up and hit this fucking car.
Yeah.
That's
No, he's in the back of a cruiser. He came from that way.
Yeah, the tire must have flew off this way. Damage.
Yeah.
And he didn't lose it over there. He must have lost it hitting his curve.
Yeah. He's in 639, and then there's another person at 92 over there that he's seen. Just some glass damage, whatever, bleeding. What, he jumped that first curb back there?
I guess. I was too far behind. I was trying to keep him in spike, see if somebody could spike him. Then I watched his car go up in the air, and I'm like, well, I'm going to go a little faster to catch up to him. He might fall.
Yeah.
I didn't realize he ran into a house. I saw another.
Yeah, they usually jump that fence down there.
Well, evidently he went through that fence.
Yeah, yeah, of course.
I was too far behind. I had to stop at the Zettler, clear the intersection.
Anybody that I always see wreck, they always wreck right there because, you know,
Well, I think that's where he went through, and he lost it. And
he's tired over there.
where's 6'3"?
I was just in that fucking car.
Okay.
My boyfriend just took the fucking police.
You were in
Motherfucker.
this. You were in this car.
Yes, I was
this
just in
car
me
over
and my
here?
dog. Me and my dog. We got pulled over. We did. I tell you, the man asked for his
639. I have
fucking
the female
license.
here.
He asked for his license and insurance. He got his fucking license, but his shit is
First off,
suspended.
if somebody else
I'm
with
thinking,
it.
you feel me? You feel me? Just get the ticket or whatever the case is, because he don't have no fucking warrant. This nigga take him on the fucking chase. I'm sorry, I'm all out of breath. Woo, over here. I'm out of breath like a motherfucker.
All right.
But
Yeah, I know. That's what she said. So you were the passenger?
yes, sir.
Did you guys live down in here or something?
No, I live on the north side, but we went and dropped off his friends. He came and got me from college.
And that's your dog that was in the car with you?
Yeah, yes, sir. When we got pulled over,
Shout out on Penfield,
I'm
Indian
thinking
Tire
he's
Route.
gonna stop. You feel me? He didn't tell me nothing. You feel me? I didn't been through this shit before. I'm 27 years old. You feel me? I didn't been through all the works and shit. You feel me?
Okay.
But I didn't think that this nigga was gonna fucking take the fucking police on a fucking run because he don't have no warrant. You feel me? So I don't know.
Is he as intoxicated as you are?
I'm not intoxicated. I'm not intoxicated.
Bro, I can smell the alcohol over here, man.
Well, I'm not intoxicated, so I don't know.
Okay. Did he drink as much as you did?
No, I didn't drink at all.
Okay, ma'am, we can smell
I'm high.
alcohol
I'm
on
high.
you.
You might smell
No, I can smell
alcohol in the
alcohol.
car. No.
Why would we smell alcohol in the car?
I don't know.
I thought you just said
a bottle
that.
or anything. I don't know if whatever's in the car. I just got in the car. But I smoked. Yes, I smoked.
Whose car is it?
I don't know whose car that is.
So you don't know if it's his car. It's not your car.
No, it's not my car. I don't know if it's
How long you
his
know?
car or not. Only like 3 months.
3 months. Does he always drive that car?
No, he be having like really different conditions. It's not none of my business to really accident for me. You driving or whatever.
You got some ID on you?
Yeah. He's in the car though.
Okay, hey, I want you to throw that dog in my back seat. Until we can get this sorted out, I don't want a loose pit bull running around, you know what I'm saying? Right, well, there's a lot of cops around here,
She's scared.
and we don't want her to get scared, and then something happened to
Come
her.
on, mama. Come here. Okay.
All right. Hold on. Hey. Where's your ID at in the car?
I don't know. Like it's some.
Is it in a purse? Is it in a wallet? Is it
it's
just
my
loose
purse.
flying around?
My purse is in there. So look at my purse. Huh?
Okay.
I'm sorry. I mean, I did
got
just
you.
go
I got
through
you.
all
What
this.
time?
So you feel me?
I got you. What's your purse look like?
Damn, what purse? It's a black purse.
Okay. Here, in the car.
Come on, baby. Get in the car. Come on. Come on, mama. Fuck my hand. I need an ambulance.
No, don't let her out.
I
Don't let her out.
got her.
We got a
Sir.
medic coming.
I got her. She's okay.
Which is the dog bleeding or are you
No,
bleeding?
it's me.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why she's supposed to.
She's got, I think she's like a cut on her wrist. She's bleeding a little bit.
My hand.
Or her hand. No, his head's messed up. We got an ambulance here. Give us a minute, okay?
You see the fucking car?
I see half of it in the house.
Bro, I'm surprised they not dead. That is.
She's got, looks like some glass cut the top of her hand. Hey, ma'am.
Yeah.
I want you to step outside so the dog can stay in the
okay,
cruiser.
she's okay.
That's fine.
She's okay.
I just don't want her, they don't want to be dealing with you and the dog.
She's not gonna run out. I'm a.
Yeah, that makes you not okay. There's a lot of nerves and tendons in there.
Yeah, I would say so.
What's that? Okay.
Did my purse and everything get out the car?
I don't think we've had anybody go in the car yet.
Sorry.
Did you already look at the other guy? He doesn't need to be transported.
You know how fast they're going? I mean,
I don't know. Do you know how fast they were going?
It was like 100 at least.
Like 100.
so he should probably be transported just for the nature of it.
You're gonna take him first, or you can't transport him at the same time? We got another one coming. You gotta do both.
I can call for another one. Yeah, I think. Is that what you think, Cole?
Yeah, I'd say, I mean, if she's saying they're going 100, they have a structure. We should be getting battalion thick. For us wise,
Columbus to ladder 23. Looks like medic 823 is in front of 1810.
Hey, what's your name?
And I already know I got a warrant, but I missed court, so you ain't gotta tell me nothing about it.
What's your warrant for? Traffic?
Yeah, no, it's I had some other stuff going on. It's a felony warrant though.
Well, if you can tell me what the other stuff is before I
It's
look it
receiving
up.
stolen property.
Okay, so it's a felony.
Yeah, that's what I just said.
Oh, okay, okay.
okay, I think, so we got the second medics coming,
Ma,
so she's good to hang out.
my boyfriend
Reserve
just fucking
or
took the
whatever.
fucking police on the
We're
chase.
gonna-
We didn't crash into somebody's
We're
house.
gonna take this guy.
Okay, is
I got
another one's gonna come and get her?
I'm on my way to the hospital.
Medic 21
I'm
minutes.
somewhere out east. I don't even know where I'm at.
Medic 21's on the way to take her, okay?
Sounds good.
I was with
Thank you,
us.
sir.
No, thank you.
We was. I'm with the police. I need you to call my jobs. I just sent JJ's his numbers, but I need you to get the numbers from JJ, call both of my jobs and let them know that, you feel me? Because they already know what's going on with me, that I missed court and things like that. So, I was on the phone with J Kid when all this was going on. When the cop from the cop, it happened in literally like 2 seconds. The cop fucking pulled us over. This nigga pulls off. We get on the fucking chase and run into the car. I mean, run into the house. I didn't have no time. This shit wasn't made up or nothing. Like, it wasn't my fault or anything. Like, the nigga, I don't know. I don't know if he got drugs on him or not. I don't know. We just been chilling, riding around. We went to his grandma's house. He in the cop car. I don't know. Like, my hand, they said
Hey,
we
you
both
think we
of
could
us
put
gotta
some
get stitches.
something on it
Yeah, I
so
can
it shouldn't
wrap
bleed
it.
all over my cuffs?
I'm worried somewhere out east. I don't know, but just get the numbers from Jackie and I'll call you when I get to wherever I get something going. Mom, you can't come. I'm about to be leaving. I'm about to be getting in handcuffs. What are you talking about? All right, get the numbers from JJ. Thank you. Is it a way if I can get my jacket from out the car?
When we go up and get in the car, I'll look for it. Don't worry, it's a lot warmer in the Cruiser than out here. He's just going to put something on you to stop you from bleeding.
Yeah, it's not gonna be great. Hospitals.
Just until we get you to the hospital.
I ain't tripping.
You're not jacked up.
I know. I'm blessed.
Yeah, that
The
is,
airbag deploy?
I'm sorry.
Did the airbag deploy? It didn't?
Not that I remember. I don't know.
Okay.
There's so much going on.
Here, go ahead and hop in here for me.
I'm sorry, Mama.